This video tutorial will take a further look at solving equations with variables on both sides. The equation that we will solve is 3 times the quantity x minus 2 plus 6 equals negative 2 times the quantity x plus 3 minus 2. The goal of any equation is to isolate the variable or to get it alone on one side of the equation to determine its value. Notice in this equation that we have a variable on both sides of the equation. Also, both sides of the equation can be simplified by using the distributive property and combining like terms. Let's start by doing the distributive property where we can. First, we can simplify 3 times the quantity of x minus 2 using the distributive property. We will start by doing 3 times x, which is 3x. Next, we will do 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. So, simplifying 3 times the quantity x minus 2 using the distributive property, we get 3x minus 6. We can bring the remainder of the left side of the equation down, which is plus 6. Now using the distributive property on the right side of the equation, we can do negative 2 times the quantity x plus 3. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times a positive 3 is a negative 6. So, negative 2 times the quantity x plus 3 simplifies to negative 2x minus 6 using the distributive property. And we will bring down our minus 2. Notice, both sides of our equation can still be simplified because each side has like terms. On our left side, the two terms in purple, negative 6 and positive 6, are like terms. And also on the right side, negative 6 and minus 2 are like terms, so they can be combined. On the left side, negative 6 and positive 6 actually cancel one another out, leaving us just with 3x. On the right side, negative 6 and negative 2 combine to make negative 8, so we are left with negative 2x minus 8. At this point, we want to get all of our terms with the variable x to one side of the equation, so we are going to try to get rid of negative 2x on the right side of the equation. To do this, we can add 2x. What we do to one side of an equation, we also must do to the other side of the equation. Simplifying the left side of the equation, we have 3x plus 2x, which equals 5x. On the right side of the equation, negative 2x and positive 2x cancel one another out, leaving us just with negative 8. Because 5 and x are being multiplied, we can use division to undo this. So we will divide by 5. What we do to one side of an equation, we must also do to the other side of the equation. On the left side of the equation, 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we are left with 1x, or just x. On the right side of the equation, we have negative 8 divided by 5. Because the division problem is also a fraction, we can leave our answer in fraction form. So, our answer is negative 8 fifths, which could be simplified to negative 1 3/5.